Hi, welcome back to another video. Today I've got a few more items to open up for my Nissan Skyline R32. So here I got the Kansai service strut brace tower for the front. It's aluminium. And then I have the other day I was talking to you about the wheel and the steering hub. So now I have the Works Bell 616. These two items just arrived. So now I'm going to open these up for you and let's see what's inside. And then once I open this one, the hub, I'm going to get the wheel out and just do a quick connecting video or assemble it video with the bolts just to see how it all fits together. All right, let's open the tower strut up first. Oh yeah, all right. Okay. Okay, it's got the Kansai service sticker on here. All right, let's open this up. This one. Okay, nice aluminium. Fully sealed in here, so I have to open it here. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, so top mounts, it's got this protective sheath, plastic on top. Turn it around so you can see. It's got a nice Kansai service plaque here in copper. Okay, cool, nice piece. All right, okay, this is the steering wheel hub. Let's open this up. Just arrived today, FedEx this one. This one I got from Nanjing in Japan. Okay. Right, nicely packed, all safe. Right, so it's a 616, as mentioned. 616. Okay. Let's open this up. That's it. Comes with warranty, instruction, all the bits, the wire to connect. So this one, I'm going to test it now that it actually does, tools and bolts inside, which is good. I've got some aftermarket bolts with me. And yep, let's test this now on the wheel. Okay. Right, okay, this steering hub has a small arrow at the top to show you the mounting position when you mount it in the car. And inside you'll see the splines, which will fit onto the car section. Okay, so let's check this wheel first. So this is another Alcantara Grady wheel that I have. I haven't lined this up yet or checked it, but I'm just going to check if it lines up with the holes and fits. Yep, that fits perfectly. Okay, I've got some bolts here as well. Some titanium bolts. Yeah, okay, and I've got some other bolts here which I ordered. These have like a blue end to them. These ones are like true titanium with like a copperish finish. Okay, so that wheel fits, that's good news. And then let's try the Nismo wheel. Just put that one over there. let's get the Nismo wheel. Just take the Nismo wheel, all the bits out, sorry. Yep. Right, moment of truth, will it fit? Yes, it fits, and it's a nice fit, perfect fit. Okay, let's get one of the bolts out. I'm not going to put all the bolts in, just put two across sectionally here. May speed the video up at this point, don't want to bore you guys. Just come in close and have a look. Yes, definitely fits. So which bolt should I go with? The blue or the copper? I think the titanium copper ones are kind of really nice. I'll put these two at the top and I'll put the copper ones at the bottom, so we'll see how they look. So that's those. Yep. Two of these. Okay. Okay, that's both the bolts in. So we've got the blue ones at the top and the copper ones at the bottom. I actually prefer the copper ones, but I mean, you can let me know in the comments what you think. Anyway, I'm going to pick the copper ones and go with the copper ones. But yeah, thanks for watching, and that's this video for this week. Thank you very much. Bye.